Hello! In this video we will be changing out a commercial cylinder in a storefront door. First, we unscrew the faceplate from the edge of the door. Then, loosen the set screw, but don't remove it completely. Next, insert a wrong key or the correct key halfway so that it doesn't engage the lock mechanism. We're going to use the key as a screwdriver to unscrew the entire cylinder, which is threaded on the edges. If you don't have a collar on your cylinder, you might consider one, as it helps prevent break-ins. The collar spins around the cylinder, making it difficult to get through the door unless you can get to the door edge to undo the set screw. Now we can slip the old cylinder out of the collar and replace it with a new cylinder. Let's reinstall it. Again, we're going to take a key that does not match the cylinder, insert it into the keyhole, and screw the cylinder into the door. It's not necessarily going to be screwed in as tight as you can get it, as the keyhole needs to be at the bottom, as seen here. Next, we're going to tighten the set screw. As you can see, if you look on the cylinder, the set screw tightens into that groove on the cylinder and keeps it in place. Test the key and cylinder to confirm the lock works correctly. Then, reinstall the cover plate and test the lock one more time. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment down below or visit us at allaboutdoors.com.